In this video, we're going to show you how to catalog bulk with photos. We're going to create our new pod. Then we're going to go in and click bulk. Here we choose our files. We're going to select all the files we want to upload. And in this case, what we're going to do, we're going to pick named lots because all the photos are named. And then we click create lots. You can see here we've broken it out based on the name of the photos. Now what we're going to do is process and upload. We don't want to add anything else, so we get that out of there. We pick our AI tone, and then we analyze those photos. In a couple of seconds, what happens is it's going to write all of our titles and descriptions for us. Here we'll dive in, click on that eyeball to see the finished results. You can click in further by clicking the pencil icon on the right. What we'll do now is we will standardize our title with another tone, and then we're going to send it out to Listernaut and launch it to the platform of our choosing. And it's just that easy to catalog items with photos when they are named. Thanks for watching.